When first reaching our website, you write the address www.becult.org. Then you enter the login or registration area. Here you have a choice either to use your username and password as they are given to you, or log in as a guest with a limited access. Also, you can create a new account, which means that the username and password are sent to you to your email. Press login and enter the main area. In the main area, the top center has the welcome and your username and the logout link. Further, top right, there is an area where you can click to change the font size or the color scheme of the site, and also the width of the working area. They are all very good usability things that are included in our site. Here there is the so-called breadcrumb navigation path, which means that you can follow the breadcrumb if you click different areas and you want to go back, for example by clicking the BeCult word in the breadcrumb, you will enter back at the main working area. The main working area here at the Moodle site is divided into 3 different columns. The left side is the column with the most items, the main menu, activities, people, administration, file manager, and the right side has the list of online users and the latest site news. The area in the middle is where the most of the working happens. Okay, so let's go into the multimedia learning area. Click here and a new window opens. This window has the Flash interface, in which you either click the flags or close the window or do all of the main work. The flags of course represent the different languages, so there are 6 flags for each language. Let's click the German flag. The second window is where you choose your level according to which is your priority, beginner or advanced. Here you choose between these 3 different professional areas: hotel, kitchen or restaurant, or you can watch the cultural videos. Let's click kitchen. So now you can see the video player. Here is a list of different videos. By clicking the list item, the video starts. If you want to watch the same video in different languages, you click language you speak and choose another language, and a separate list appears. So if you want to change from German to Italian, just click the similar item and you can watch the same video in Italian. Okay, let's try French. We will choose advanced and go to an area of hotel. Again, you see the list of videos and you can play the videos as before. This time, instead of watching a video with subtitles, we can also play some games. These games are related to the videos that you're watching. There are 6 different situations here and 5 or 6 games which represent different situations. So let's click pause and go to games. As you can see, there are 5 games. Let's go to game number 1. Here's a game cover and a short description of the game. This is a sort of a maze game, so you go and start and you follow these different suggestions. Here is a price list of different rooms in a hotel. Now there is a phone call coming from a lady. She says you her name and you need to write it down. Either you write or ask. Now this time she spells the letters. You always have 2 or 3 different choices, so you follow the right path until you reach the end of the game. Here is another sound file. These are MP3 files, and there are 2 different answers, and you need to listen to them in order to go to the right way. Sometimes there are sound, sometimes there are videos, sometimes they're just pictures, or even some JavaScript items such as a calculator. Here's a picture of a calendar, and then the guest says when how long she wants to stay, and then you need to choose the check-in and check-out date. Here's a question: how much will the price be at that time? And then you choose the right price, and here's a link to a calculator, and you count the price of 1 week's stay at the hotel. The whole idea here is to include more realism in these exercises, so that the learners are closer to the realities of the subject. These games are made with the program called Quandary, which is a completely free software for making these kind of action maze games. Anybody can download it from the internet. The only thing you need to do is register, which is free for full use of the program. So here is the